What's up, my OGs? Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just gonna be on this beautiful unit from Sogoodhair. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I have it on and this unit fits literally so good. I am gonna have to cut it a little bit more. The lace is super thin back here to lay it down. Obviously I'm not gonna glue mine down, but it's super thin if you want to. And I'm in love with this full lace wig because it doesn't have any combs or adjustable bands throughout it. Like, it is a real full lace unit and it's just like free, and I really love that. So that is like a big plus, because a lot of these companies give you full lace wigs but then they're like, they have all these combs and stuff in them, and I'm like, ugh, it's so annoying. Part it, even though I'm not wearing it parted, I don't think, so you guys can see the lace, and it was giving me very much Scalpiana, you know, it's giving girls very much what's the big sweetie, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just in case you wanted to see the party on her, she's there. She's full lace, so she's definitely there. So I'm kind of happy that this happened. Sometimes when you cut the lace with this method, you will get like a little bit of lifting, and you just go in with your free spray and rub it right on the tip, the edge where it's lifting. Give it a firm couple of presses into the skin, blow dryer. And this unit is 22 inches. I don't know if I've already said that, but now I'm just going to start flat ironing it. I do want it to remain pretty big, so I'm not going to try to get it like bone straight or anything, which I don't even think that's possible with a kinky straight unit, especially this one is really kinky. But I'm just going to do it a little bit just to show you guys how it flat irons, basically, because I like it big as fuck. So yeah, we're gonna just do that. Y'all, this is giving me very much Onika, like, yes, it's just like giving me Onika vibes. I'm feeling it. It's like I bought a new Nairobi, so I'm about to do my baby hair with this Nairobi that I bought. love this. I think that this is so cute and bomb. Like, Kinky straight has become one of my favorite textures. Like, over the years, I've worked with it like a few times now, and it has literally become one of my favorite textures. This is Sogoodhair, and it is 22 inches. It's pretty long for 22 though, because I feel like it hits my waist, and yeah, that's pretty long for 22 in my opinion, but maybe it's not. Maybe I'm short. Who actually knows? No combs, no adjustable straps or anything like that. Just straight up lace. Like, I love this. This unit is so beautiful. It's super full. Even when I straightened it, it's still full AF. Yeah, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and it's not shedding. It's not giving me any issues. Not tangling. The lace color, everything is just super on point. Yes, I didn't add any powder to the parting or anything. I'm in love with this. So shout out to Sogoodhair. Like, yes, that is now 2 points for SoGood, because I've had 2 units and they've both been up there. So yeah, I really like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Watch some more videos, and I'll talk to you on my next one. Bye, y'all.